Hello, financial enthusiasts. Welcome to Money Matters, where we embark on a step-by-step journey to master the art of financial success. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to level up your money game, this video is your comprehensive guide to achieving financial prosperity. Let's dive in. Number 1. Setting financial goals. Our first step in Money Matters is setting clear financial goals. Whether it's saving for a dream vacation, buying a home, or building an emergency fund, we'll explore the importance of defining your financial objectives and creating a roadmap to achieve them. Number 2. Budgeting basics. Next on our journey is mastering budgeting basics. We'll walk through the steps of creating a realistic budget that aligns with your financial goals. From tracking expenses to categorizing spending, learn how to take control of your finances and make every dollar count. Number 3. Emergency fund essentials. Building a financial safety net is crucial, and that's our focus in this section. Explore the essentials of creating and maintaining an emergency fund. Understand how having a financial cushion can provide peace of mind and protect you from unexpected expenses. Number 4. Debt management strategies. Navigate the world of debt with our discussion on effective debt management strategies. Whether it's student loans, credit card debt, or mortgages, we'll explore ways to minimize debt, consolidate loans, and ultimately achieve financial freedom. Number 5. Investing for the future. Unlock the potential of investing for the future. We'll cover the basics of investment options, risk tolerance, and how to create a diversified portfolio. Learn how to make your money work for you and build wealth over time through strategic investments. Number 6. Understanding credit scores. Demystify the world of credit scores as we discuss their significance in financial success. Discover how to build and maintain a healthy credit score, understand the factors that impact it, and leverage credit responsibly to achieve your financial goals. Number 7. Retirement planning. Prepare for the future with a focus on retirement planning. We'll explore different retirement savings options, such as 401(k), S, and IRAs, and discuss strategies to ensure a comfortable and secure retirement. It's never too early to start planning for your golden years. Number 8. Tax saving strategies. Optimize your finances by exploring tax saving strategies. From understanding tax deductions to maximizing contributions to tax-advantaged accounts, we'll guide you through practical ways to minimize your tax liability and keep more money in your pocket. Number 9. Building multiple income streams. Diversify your income streams as we explore the benefits of having multiple sources of revenue. Whether through side hustles, investments, or passive income, learn how to create financial resilience and increase your earning potential. Number 10. Cultivating financial mindset. Our final step in Money Matters is cultivating a positive financial mindset. Explore the mindset habits of financially successful individuals, understand the role of gratitude and abundance, and learn how to overcome money-related challenges with resilience. As we wrap up this step-by-step guide to financial success, remember that mastering Money Matters is a continuous journey. Implement these strategies, stay committed to your goals, and watch your financial well-being flourish. Stay tuned for more financial insights, and until next time, may your financial future be bright. Happy financial planning.